Hey guys, back again. So now I will show you what I was talking about in another video about Angular International or internationalization. You can see that it refreshed because I have this running. So it refreshed and now we have everything in Spanish. Of course, we're using the same port because we are serving the application just as usual. So you can see velocidad y desempeño, a ton of things, desarrolla a través de todas las plataformas. And you can see that everything is in Spanish, even no the header. So this was the old version using Angular 8. So things changed with Angular 9, so I had to rebuild this, and we will see that in the channel soon. And also I took the chance to refresh the look, so we will build this again. If you want me to show you how to do this in Adobe XD, um, just let me know and we will have something about that in the channel. So let's close that. But what if I just say, let's close this and ng serve as usual. Let's just wait for this. So as you can see, that is saying, okay, it's going to scroll me down. So let's see, your global Angular CLI version is 9.0.6, which in the last video I upgraded. If you haven't seen that, check it out so you can have the latest Angular CLI. And so this is the typical warning about versioning mismatch. And you can see now we have one framework, mobile and desktop, developed across all platforms, speed and performance, incredible tooling, and all that. And you can see we have this again. It's the same application in the same port. It just refreshed because we have this running. You can see compiled successfully. Angular Live Development Server is listening on localhost 4200. Open your browser there, so you can see. And if I click get started, I think it's yeah, it's going to redirect us to Angular IO. You can see something similar to that. So I just copied that, but I decided to do something else because yeah, we need to improve our design. At least I need to do it. So yeah, but this is I don't think even is responsive. Yeah, it's not okay. So I'm not going to focus about that, but everything changed, or most of the things, the configurations change with Angular 9. So we will have this in the channel soon. And if you're running an Angular 8 application, if you want me to do a code review, because of course I have the latest version now and I'm not going to downgrade my version just for that, but you can see, or you will see if I make that code review, how you can implement those changes. Of course I'm going to upload this to GitHub so you can have that and you can have this as a basis and move around the things in order to make your Angular 8 application work with multiple languages. So how you are going to use it? Well, of course, it's going to depend on the service on which you are hosting your application. They sometimes, or they allow you, not sometimes, but they allow you to have different versions depending on the language that you are going to use. So I think that's all I wanted to share. So yeah, that's all, and see you in the next one.